So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to edit layer duration here in Alight Motion. So I have my layer right here. So if I were to go ahead and play this video, as you can tell, it's only as long as it is. If you wanted to make this maybe longer or shorter, you can tap the clip right here, slide to the right in this case, tap and hold the arrow to when it looks like this. Then if you just drag it to the right, you'll actually increase the timing. So if I were to go ahead and play the video right here, it actually is increased in time. If you want to go ahead and make it less, you can tap and hold, drag it to the left. You can change it that way, or if you just want to speed up or slow down the clip, you can press the time right here. You can speed it up or slow it down, and that'll obviously change the layer as well. So you can kind of play around with it, play it. Now the clip is a different length. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit the layer duration in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.